How to choose the right tech course and avoid wasting money. Too many courses. Too much confusion everywhere you look. AI, cloud, data, DevOps, everything sounds important. But choosing randomly can waste your time and money. The big mistake: most people choose courses based on trends, salary, hype, what others are doing, not based on themselves. Step 1. Know your goal. Ask yourself, do I want coding? Do I like data? Do I prefer business or tech? Clarity reduces confusion. Step 2. Match your background in tech. Start simple: data, testing, basics, tech, go deeper, cloud, DevOps, AI. Don't jump into advanced topics too early. Step 3. Check practical learning. A good course should include hands-on projects, real-world use cases, practice exercises, not just theory videos. Step 4. Avoid course collecting. Buying multiple courses does not increase skills. Learning one properly does. Step 5. Think long-term. Don't ask which course is trending. Ask, can I work in this field for years? What actually matters: skills, practice, consistency, not just certificates. The shift from following trends to making smart decisions. The result: better learning, less confusion, faster career growth. The final take: the right course won't just teach you. It will move you closer to your career goal. Rocket emoji.